If you'd like to check out our new onboarding process, here's what you do. First, head over to app.vessl.ai. Once you're in VESSL, just sign up or log in. Since I'm already a heavy user, I'll go ahead and log in. After you've logged in, click the Run and Earn button to launch the Llama 3.2 chatbot. Once you finish the onboarding process, we'll add some extra credits to your account. Now let's fire up the Llama 3.2 chatbot using a template we've prepared for you. We're all set to create a run. Let's hit the Create button. Give it a moment while your run is being created. When it's ready, you'll see the Llama 3.2 chatbot application integrated with a Gradio app. Ready to interact with the app? Just type in your message and start the conversation.